Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips, and in this video, I'm speaking about how you can add simple but super effective videos to your Shopify website that can help you to improve time on site, which in turn will help you to improve your search engine optimization. But this can also help to entice some of your website visitors to make a buying decision when they come across your website as well. Now, you don't just want any old video on your Shopify website. You want to add engaging video that's actually going to captivate your target visitors. And I have the solution for you in Firework. Now, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use Firework in this video for your Shopify website. And this video is kindly sponsored by Firework. So a huge thank you to the team at Firework. But I really love their platform and their product. And when you watch this video to the end, you will see how Firework can actually help you for free to make your Shopify website a little bit more engaging. Now, I wanted to show you some examples of Firework in action. As you can see, I'm on this website at the moment. And when I scroll down, you can start to see their e-commerce products, but in video format. So as you can see, this video here plays when I hover over it. And if I actually click on it, you will see that it has a see more call to action button as well. And when you click on that, as you can see, it takes you directly to the page that they want you to go to make a purchase of this particular product. So you can add your call to action buttons within the video and take people to specific landing pages. And then more videos here play of the products that they're selling. And this really makes their website more appealing, more attractive. It's going to improve time on site, and also it's going to encourage website visitors to make a buying decision. Now, I also want to show you how it looks on a mobile phone device as well. If I get my phone up here, you'll be able to see that it's a little bit of a scroll feature. So I can scroll through these videos on my phone easily. So it's really difficult when you have video on a website and you have to scroll in to really see what that video is about, or the video takes up the whole screen. But when you have something like this here, it reminds you of kind of like social media, like stories on Facebook, for example. And these videos you can easily thumb through, and people are really used to this now because of social media. So it's really mobile friendly as well for you to use and add to your website. Now, before I show you a few more examples, I wanted to dive into what time on site actually is and how it can help you to improve your search engine optimization. So time on site is the amount of time that your users are spending on your website when they visit your site. And if, for example, people are finding your website via the major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing, but when they click on your links, they're bouncing off your website straight away. So there's no stickiness to your website. They're not sticking around for long enough. They're not visiting other pages. And most importantly, they're not making buying decisions on the website. This can actually impact your search engine optimization in the long term as well. Because if Google are seeing that maybe your website is not serving your customers as deeply as other websites, then those other websites might get favored in the search engines. So adding video like this helps to create that stickiness that you want on your website. It helps to make your pages a little bit more engaging. And as a result, your website visitors are likely to stick around a little bit longer. And I wanted to show you a couple more examples. As you can see on this particular website, they actually have it as well. When we scroll all the way down, they have some videos that showcases what they're about. And again, you can thumb through some of these and really kind of get a feel for what it is that this website is offering. And one more example here, if I scroll down again, this platform has it as well, with the people kind of walking into the shot. Again, this kind of helps to create that stickiness on the website. There's something to look at, and there's something to watch on the website as well that is probably different from a lot of other websites. So if you go to Firework itself, this is what the platform looks like. It's completely free to get started. So there's nothing even to really spend money on or think about. I highly recommend that you register for a Firework account. It's completely free, and start adding these engaging videos to your website. So all you have to do is click on the Get Started for Free button, and it will take you to the inside of the platform, which will look something like this. Now, when you do actually add the videos to your website, you will start to see some data in the Insights tab. So you can really start seeing what the analytics are looking like and how well your videos are performing on your website. But I kind of wanted to show you how you can add content. So you can literally come over here and click on add content. You can upload a video. You can actually use some video from the Firework beta studio. You can also import from YouTube, and it's also coming as well. A feature that is coming is you can actually add content from Instagram as well. So you can pull footage in from Instagram, and that's a really easy and seamless way for you to kind of add video to your website. So I'm actually going to upload video here, and I'm going to caption this test 1. Now, obviously I'm using test 1 as an example. I'm also not going to add any hashtags here. And you can see the more options here that actually have a video link, so you can paste a link to your products as well. But what I recommend is in the caption 1, you actually have a keyword friendly caption, and in the hashtags as well, utilize your keywords as well. And this will help you to optimize whatever page you're planning to put these videos on. And just to kind of show you what this video link here is all about, if I go to one of the websites that I showed you before, and let's say I click on one of the products and I click see more, it takes me to where I can actually purchase the particular product that is in the video. So you can actually set what link people get sent to when they click on a video right here. So you want to make sure that this is your product page, or whatever page it is you're trying to push people to after they watch the video. And you can also add a post dot here as well. So this is an image that people see before they click on the video itself. So it's kind of like a thumbnail for YouTube, for example. So what image do you want people to see before they make the decision to click on that video? Maybe it's just an image of the product that you're trying to showcase. You can put that there. Now, remember, you don't just have to use this to showcase your products. It might also be customer testimonials or reviews and so on and so forth. So you can get creative with how you use these videos as well. So once you're finished with this, you can actually click on this and you can add what video you like. I'm going to add this as an example video, and it doesn't take long to actually upload at all, literally a few seconds, and it is uploaded. And then I can post this. And while that is processing, I'm going to add another video, and I'm going to call this one test 2. And I'm going to add a second video here, and I'm going to post that one. And once they are both uploaded, you can actually go to Layout Studio, and you can choose the layout that you want your videos to show in when you actually do embed them in your website. So this is the food blogger increase conversions example, and you can see how it would look on a website. And then you can kind of scroll through some other examples as well. E-commerce increase session length. So there's different videos for different purposes as well. So you can kind of like choose what one you would like, and you can also see it in a mobile view as well, so you can see how it looks on a mobile phone device as well. And once you've chosen one, you can click add content, and you can have a scroll and a look through that. Another thing to note is that if you come over here and click on edit, you can actually add your video overlays, so your call to action button, as I've mentioned. And when you insert your link, let's say this was my link, then there's this downward button as well. So you can actually decide what your call to action is going to be, whether that be shop now, download, see more, book now. So I'm going to use the shop now, assuming that you might be promoting an e-commerce brand of some sort. And then you can actually add that call to action link to your video. So when people click on that, then it will be taken to the specific page on your website that the video itself is promoting, and you can save and update those changes. You can also click on this little embed button here, and you can choose how you want it to display. So if you want it to display as a carousel, as you've seen in most of the examples in this video, then you can do that. You can also add it as a grid, a story block, a floating button, and a floating video. So you might want to test some of these as well. See which one works best, which one looks best on your site and looks most engaging, and then select that one. I'm going to click on the carousel one just for the purposes of this video. And I'm going to copy this and I'm going to head over to Shopify. Now, it's important to note as well that Firework actually have a Shopify app as well. That's completely free for you to utilize. So if I go into the App Store and I go in here to where it says Shop for Apps, then I can actually search for Firework. And here it is right here, the shoppable video Fireworks app. So I can actually add the app to my website for free, but I can also embed the videos to my website. If I click on online store and I go down to pages and click on pages, I can actually add this to a page on my site. Now I don't have any pages on this particular site, so I'm going to create one and I'm going to name it video. And I'm going to click on this show HTML and paste the code that I got from Firework in there. And then I'm going to save this. And if I go and view this page, you can see that my videos actually show up here. So as you can see, it's really simple and easy to add these videos to your Shopify website. And it just makes the page look a little bit more engaging and increases your time on site, increases your sales, and makes your website visitors have a more pleasurable experience when they come to your site. They get a little bit more of a feel for your products, for your services. Maybe, like I said, you can use customer reviews as well. Now, just kind of looking at their pricing, like I did mention, they do have a free plan. And, you know, there's certain restrictions with the free plan, but more or less you can use it to your fullest advantages by showcasing your products. It doesn't cost you anything at all. So I highly recommend just having a go, having a play about with it, registering for an account, and you'll be on your way adding video to your Shopify website, increasing that time on site, like I said, increasing that engagement and helping you to improve sales. So I highly recommend checking out the free plan. I'll leave links in the description down below to Firework. Again, a huge shout out to Firework for sponsoring this video. But guys, I also have the formula, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales to your business online. As you can see, there's a copy beside me. I will also leave a copy somewhere on this screen and in the description down below. So if you want to boost your online sales, then make sure you go and download your free copy and actually read it and start implementing it. But I really do hope that this video brought you value, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.